By this point, you and I have covered the basics of a sales career in the solar industry. We've reviewed the differences between the residential and commercial sales processes. We've identified the different types of solar companies, like the installer, the developer, the equipment manufacturer, and the financing company. We reviewed the characteristics of what makes a good solar employer. We reviewed the dominant customer profiles and ways to find them and generate leads. We've learned to uncover their needs by asking open-ended questions and then using their answers in a presentation that satisfies these needs. We've learned to ask for their business and how to overcome their objections. At this point, I ask all of my students, how will you get started in a career in solar sales? What is your first step? There are several methods I recommend. One excellent way is to begin by finding out what groups are active in solar in your community. Often there are local environmental groups that meet regularly. The American Solar Energy Society, ACES, has chapters in 42 states. Here, you can learn firsthand about solar in your area from folks that are actually building and promoting solar energy projects. Go to their meetings. Volunteer to support their activities. You'll discover which local businesses are active in solar. That's how I found my first job. I met an electrician at a green event that I helped organize for a local environmental group. I offered to become his solar sales force, and he was delighted to accept. Another way to get started in solar is to practice using online software programs to create estimates to build a solar system on the homes of your friends and family as a means to practice. Show them what kind of investment solar can be for their particular homes. Is it a good investment? I used a handmade proposal tool to show any of my friends and neighbors who would listen how much solar energy could save them. This gave me valuable experience in proposal development, presentation, and overcoming prospects' objections. I also learned about key financial metrics like simple payback and internal rate of return. All of these efforts prepared me for a job as a residential sales manager with a much larger solar installer in New Jersey. On this second job, I learned to sell commercial solar systems as well as develop an ability in solar financial modeling. A third way to get into solar sales is to continue your education. NABCEP, the National American Board of Certified Electrical Practitioners, has a technical sales course that will enhance your understanding of the concepts that go into sales proposal generation. Having any certification puts you heads above your competition for solar sales positions. Take action today. Nothing happens until you take action. When you do take action, everyone around you will notice. People with similar interests will stand up and see you. People who need your skills will pay attention to you. Issues that were once fuzzy in your mind will become clear. What is difficult becomes easy. And it all starts with taking action. What action will you take today?